it pays to double check whatever you're putting out into the marketplace in order to ensure that you are actually giving the best possible impression of your business and of your brand. Now, one area where I've seen a few websites recently actually that have fallen down in this regard is with just simple links that are present on the site to other properties or brand profiles that the business owns. So with regards to social media links that are often placed in the footer or header of a site, a couple of different businesses I've come across recently who have had links to outdated profiles in their website footer or header social media links. So if you've got these on your site, it pays to just double check that what's there is actually correct. It may be that your business traded under a different name back in the day and you had an old Facebook page or Twitter profile or something that's no longer updated. Equally, it may be that you decided you wanted to start a new profile under an existing brand name for some reason or another, and you never got around to updating it. And even if your links are all updated, if you're going to have social media links on your website, make sure they go to profiles that are actually active and used. It's quite a bad look, in my opinion, if someone clicks on your Facebook page link or your Twitter profile link and they go to something where there hasn't been an update since Halley's Comet last circled around the Earth. Basically, it doesn't look professional. It kind of looks like your business, is a bit out of date. So if you're going to present social media links on your website, in the header navigation or the footer navigation or anywhere else, make sure that they go to the right profiles that are visible, that are public, that are updated, and that are engaging and informative. Don't send people to something that's outdated or broken or off-brand, because it just kills, to some extent, the sort of quality of the message that you're putting forward. So it's a really simple lesson or message for today's video, but just check those links, check in on them periodically, make sure that you're sending people to the right place and that you're portraying the right image for your business. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.